We're actively involved in the long-term recovery of our state partners. So for example, Hurricane Ida. We've been here yesterday and today. We were earlier in the Superdome last weekend for their particular show, and we'll also be at the Pontchartrain Center in Kenner next week. Our desire is to help the homeowners get acquainted with our program, and for those folks who still need assistance, to reach out to a toll-free number, 800-659-2955, and that number again is 800-659-2955, to have questions answered about what their status of the loan might be, ask for modification if the loan amount is not enough, and a few other items. Our role is to provide liquidity post-disaster. And in pure simple terms, what it means is to provide loans in the absence of insurance or shortage of insurance. So for example, in every disaster, your first line of defense is the insurance policy. The deductibles, which is the shortage part, we will cover those. If you don't have insurance, we can help you, but in a presidential declaration such as Hurricane Ida, the first step would have been to register with FEMA, and then we could get assistance from the SBA not only for homeowners, but for renters for personal property, homeowners for damages to their residents, places of worship and most private nonprofits, and businesses of all sizes. These are in the form of low interest rate loans. So a personal property loan for up to $40,000 for homeowners and renters, a fixed interest rate for a maximum amortization of 30 years at 1.56%. Businesses can borrow money at a fixed interest rate at 2.875%, and 2% fixed money for most private nonprofits. And not everyone qualifies for the maximum amortization, we want you to know, but at the same time, our job is to make sure that most people qualify because it's a cash flow loan. Economic injury deadline is still open. May 31st is the deadline for it. The definition of economic injury is the inability of a business to pay their bills on time as a result of a shortfall of revenue or a cascading effect of expenses rising. So if there has been some level of impact to the company's income statement, we're here to help. That deadline is still open. On the individual side, we're accepting applications on a case-by-case basis. We're asking for an explanation as to why they were not able to apply at the time of the deadline, which was November 29th, with a grace period of 14 days, December 14th. So that is exactly right. On a case-by-case basis for personal property and for homeowners, but economic injury, absolutely. After Hurricane Ida, the latest totals are we're at about $1.275 billion in total with a B, $1.275 billion. And after every disaster, a little known fact is most of our loans are to homeowners and renters. So give us a call at 800-659-2955. Come see us today here at the Terrebonne Civic Center or next week at the Pontchartrain Center in Kenner. Any questions, 800-659-2955 or our website, www.sba.gov/disaster assistance. We thank you for your time.